Apencia, the largest NFT marketplace, defines the floor price as the lowest price for collection items, rather than the average item price. It's updated in real time as NFT sales occur within a collection, excluding Dutch auctions where prices decrease until a buyer is found. Welcome to our video on what is an NFT floor price. Today, we'll dive into the world of non-fungible tokens and explore the significance of floor prices in determining the value and popularity of NFT collections. Let's start by understanding the basics. The floor price of an NFT represents the lowest price at which sellers are willing to part with their tokens within a specific collection. This metric is often denominated in cryptocurrencies or stablecoins pegged to the US dollar. Apencia, the largest NFT marketplace, defines the floor price as the lowest price for collection items, rather than the average item price. It's updated in real time as NFT sales occur within a collection, excluding Dutch auctions where prices decrease until a buyer is found. The floor price serves as a starting point for assessing the popularity and perceived value of an NFT collection over time. A high floor price often indicates a more popular collection, while a dip in floor price may suggest waning interest in the project. Let's take a look at the Bored Ape Club (BAYC) collection on Apencia as an example. As of today, the floor price for an NFT in the BAYC collection stands at 74.7 ETH, approximately $89,450. However, it's important to note that floor prices can vary slightly across different platforms. Remember, the floor price sets the baseline value for NFTs within a collection. NFTs with rare traits or features can often sell for higher prices than the floor price itself. For instance, an ape with unique characteristics might sell for significantly more due to its rarity. Non-fungible tokens are unique digital assets, and their prices can fluctuate based on market conditions. Therefore, it's crucial to consider factors beyond the floor price when evaluating the value of an NFT. Finding the floor price of a collection is relatively easy. Platforms like Apencia provide floor price data alongside total sales volume and the best offer made by a buyer. Analytical tools such as Nansen's NFT Paradise or CryptoSlam also offer convenient access to floor prices. Gem aggregates floor prices across various platforms, providing comprehensive insights. However, it's crucial to approach the floor price metric with caution. While it indicates the lowest asking price, it doesn't necessarily reflect the actual value of an NFT or whether buyers are willing to pay that price. Thank you for watching our video on what is an NFT floor price. We hope you now have a better understanding of this important metric in the world of non-fungible tokens. Remember to stay informed and make wise choices in your NFT journey.